So you want to create cinematic Instagram reels? Well, let me show you how. Okay, so I think you can break this very simply into 3 different steps. Firstly is going to be your idea, then the filming, and then the editing. Now I'm going to walk you through all 3 of them, so let's get right into it. Okay, so firstly I want to talk about the idea. Now, a lot of people just skip this part because it's not really necessary, but for me, when I want to create a cinematic Instagram reel, it's always important to have an idea of what you're trying to do. Is it going to be an edit? Is it going to be something you want to show the people? And once you have that idea, then when you start filming the thing, it makes the filming part like 10 times easier because you already know going into it what you want to achieve with this. Okay, now filming is also a very big part of creating an Instagram reel. So if you have your idea and you maybe already have a song that you want, you can obviously go and film and have no problems at all because you already know what you're trying to achieve with this. But filming is also a very important part because you're not going to put in a lo-fi chill edit with footage on a GoPro, you know, it's just not gonna work. So you have to obviously film depending on the reel. If you want to make like a retro reel, make sure you get those types of shots. I'm not gonna go in depth of exactly how to film. Maybe in the future I make like a how to film video, but this video I'm gonna focus a lot on the editing. So with those 2 out of the way, if you have your idea, you're done filming, and you put it into your editing software, well, that's when things get interesting. Let me show you how I do it. Okay, so I'm open right now in Filmora, and I'm here with all the footage I used in the beginning of this video. So firstly, I already knew what type of song I'm going to use, so let's just quickly find that. Okay, all my footage is in, the song is in, so let's get started. Obviously, firstly, just drag in your song so you have a general idea. Then you just detach the audio, boom, and there you have it. So now Okay, so now you can just obviously listen to it where you want to start putting in your clip. So let's just edit that real quick. Boom. Boom. Okay, so as you guys can hear, this song is a very fast song. So what you want to do is, this is something that has helped me so much when creating this stuff, is put in markers. Now this is a very important step I want you to follow. So basically, if you have it already on your keyboard shortcuts, it's very simple. You simply play the song and press M where you want to mark it. So there we go. And it is as simple as that. Now you know exactly where the next clip should be on your timeline. Now this helps you with literally any type of edit. If it's a fast edit, simply put in markers and you know exactly where your clip should go. So firstly, that is a very easy example. And then then the boring part comes in. Then it's the cutting, putting in the clips, you know, all those stuff that nobody really wants to do. Yeah, then those stuff comes in. So if I can give you a tip, put in the markers, and then obviously the color grade is a whole different ball game, but I would definitely just say color grade as minimal as possible, depending on like where you're shooting or what you're shooting. But if you can make all your color grades the same and put in markers, you are good to go. So yeah, okay, so there you have it. Now I hope you understand everything that I talked about in this video. If you have any further questions, please just drop it in the comments. If you want to see my Instagram, you can simply go to the link in the description, and my personal Instagram would be there, so you can see the stuff that I post there as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.